Hello friends, I am Sunil Kakadi, faculty in mathematics here in Defense Career Academy, Aurangabad. In the last session we have seen some important formulas of limit and questions of limit and continuity. Now in this session we will start next topic, that is important topic for India point of view, that is differentiation derivative. Let's start some important formulas of derivative. The first one, derivative of x raised to n is equal to n into x raised to n minus 1. Second one, derivative of a raised to x, that is a raised to x into log a. Third one, derivative of e raised to x, e raised to x. The fourth one, derivative of log x to the base e, natural e, so we get 1 by x. So fifth one, derivative of sin x is equal to cos x. Next, sixth one, derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Next, derivative of tan x is sec square x. Next, derivative of cot x is minus cosec square x. Next, derivative of sec x is sec x into tan x. Next, derivative of cosec x is minus cosec x into cot x. Next, derivative of sin inverse x, derivative of inverse functions. Derivative of sin inverse x is 1 upon a root of 1 minus x square. Derivative of cos inverse x is minus 1 upon a root of 1 minus x square. Next, derivative of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. Next, derivative of cot inverse x is minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. 15, derivative of sec inverse x is 1 upon x in root of x square minus 1. And the last one, derivative of cosec inverse x is minus 1 upon x root of x square minus 1. These are some important formulas of derivative. Note down this. Now we'll take some examples. First one, y is equal to x raised to x. If you solve these questions by regular method, it take too much time, but I am telling you by using the short tricks how to solve such type of questions. या देखो फंक्शन का फंक्शन मेरे पास आ रहा है. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज आल्सो फंक्शन का फंक्शन है. जब भी हमारे पास फंक्शन का फंक्शन आता है, देखो इन द टाइप ऑफ फॉर्म y इज इक्वल टू f of x raised to g of x. The question is in the type y is equal to f of x raised to g of x. So its derivative is dy by dx is equal to given function as it is, that is f of x raised to g of x, inside the bracket g of x upon f of x into f dash of x. What is meaning of f dash of x? Derivative of f of x plus log of f of x, log of f of x into g dash of x, bracket close. So by using this formula we get question is y is equal to x raised to x. यहां देखो मेरे पास f of x raised to g of x. f of x कितना है मेरे पास? f of x is x है and g of x is also x, right? So dy by dx is equal to, what is the formula? f of x raised to g of x as it is, means given function as it is. So x raised to x as it is, inside the bracket g of x upon f of x. G of x is x upon f of x. F of x is also x into derivative of f dash of x. F of x is x, so derivative of x is 1 plus log of f of x. So log of f of x is x into g dash of x. Derivative of g of x is, so x का डेरिवेटिव कितना आता है? 1 आता है. So bracket close. So we get, यहां देखो x x हो जाएगा कैंसिल आउट, तो आंसर आ रहा है मेरा x raised to x inside the bracket 1 plus log x into 1 log x. That is, answer is dy by dx is equal to x raised to x in bracket 1 plus log x. So note down this. Now second example, y is equal to sin x raised to x. ये भी सेम क्वेश्चन है जो हमने पहला सॉल्व किया. ये फंक्शन मेरे पास आ रहा है, दैट इज इन द फॉर्म f of x raised to g of x. जब मेरे पास फंक्शन कोई आता है तो डायरेक्ट आपके पास शॉर्ट ट्रिक्स है जो मैंने आपको लिख के दिया था. dy by dx is equal to f of x raised to g of x, means given function as it is, g of x upon f of x into f dash of x plus log of f of x into g dash of x. Now see here, this question is y is equal to sin x raised to x. Here value of f of x is sin x, right? F of x is sin x and g of x is x. So by using this short tricks, dy by dx is equal to f of x raised to g of x, the given function as it is, sin x raised to x, inside the bracket g of x upon f of x. So g of x is x upon f of x sin x into derivative of f dash of x. Derivative of sin x is cos x plus log of f of x. So log of f of x is sin x, that is log of sin x into derivative of g dash of x, that is g of x का डेरिवेटिव कितना आएगा? 1 आ जाएगा. So we get sin x raised to x inside the bracket. यहां देखो cos upon sin क्या आता है? sin cos by sin is cot, so ये आ जाएगा x into cot x plus log of sin x into 1 log of sin x. So log of sin x dy by dx. Note down this. Now example number 3. y is equal to sin ax plus b. Then we have to find out second derivative d2y by dx square at x is equal to minus b by a. ये क्वेश्चन ऑलरेडी इंडे में आ चुका है. Now see here, find out the first derivative. So differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. So derivative of sin x is cos x. So derivative of sin ax plus b is cos ax plus b into derivative of ax plus b, because यहाँ पे अपोजिट फंक्शन आ रहा है तो ax plus b का आगे डेरिवेटिव आएगा. So into derivative of ax plus b is constant as it is. Derivative of x is 1 plus derivative of b is 0 because b यहाँ पे constant है. So we get cos ax plus b into a into 1 a plus 0 a. So we get a into cos ax plus b. So first order derivative, that is dy by dx. But we have to find out second order derivative. So differentiate this function again. So differentiate again with respect to x. So we get d2y by dx square is equal to, यहाँ a constant रहेगा as it is, a constant. So derivative of cos is minus sin. So minus sin ax plus b into derivative of ax plus b is constant as it is. Derivative of x is 1 plus derivative of b is 0. So a into 1 a plus 0 a into a square, और ये माइनस साइन है तो माइनस भी आ जाएगा यहाँ, माइनस ए स्क्वायर साइन ए एक्स प्लस बी. सो d2y by dx square. But we have to find out d2y by dx square at x is equal to minus b by a. तो यहाँ पे पुट कर देंगे इन प्लेस ऑफ x minus b by a. So d2y by dx square at x is equal to minus b by a. लिखते हैं इस फॉर्म में d2y by dx square at x is equal to minus b by a. So is equal to minus a square as it is into sin bracket a into value of x is minus b by a. So minus b by a plus b. So a get cancel out, is equal to minus a square sin in bracket minus b plus b. So minus b plus b cancel out हो जाएगा, यहाँ 0 आ जाएगा. So a square into sin 0. The value of sin 0 is 0. Therefore minus a square into 0 will get 0. That is d2y by dx square at x is equal to minus b by a. We get answer 0. Note down this. Now example number 4. ये भी क्वेश्चन इंडे में आ चुका है पहले. y is equal to x log x plus x into a raised to x. Then we have to find out dy by dx at x is equal to 1. देखो सिंपल क्वेश्चन है, ध्यान दीजिए. यहाँ मेरे पास दो टर्म्स आ रहा है एडिशन में, फर्स्ट टर्म सेकेंड टर्म, और जो टर्म्स आ रहा है वो मल्टीप्लाई में है. x इंटू लॉग एक्स मल्टीप्लाई है x इंटू ए रेज टू एक्स, ये भी मल्टीप्लाई का टर्म है. सो हम यूज करने वाले यहाँ पे u इंटू वी का रूल, दैट इज अ प्रोडक्ट रूल ऑफ डेरिवेटिव. सो रूल इज डेरिवेटिव ऑफ u into v, u as it is derivative of v plus v as it is derivative of u. Remember this formula, product rule of derivative. So ये फार्मूला हम यहाँ पे यूज करने वाले हैं. So differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to, यहाँ जो दो टर्म दिख रहा है x एंड log x, लेट कंसिडर x एज अ u एंड log x एज अ v. सो यूज करें हम ये फार्मूला u इंटू v, दैट इज u एज इट इज, कंसिडर u, कंसिडर v. सो u एज इट इज इंटू derivative of v, so derivative of log x is 1 by x plus v as it is, that is log x as it is, into derivative of x is 1 plus ये हो रहा है मेरा फर्स्ट टर्म कंप्लीट, x into log x का डेरिवेटिव. नाउ सेकेंड टर्म इज x e raised to x. लेट कंसिडर दिस x as u, e raised to x as v. So u as it is, x as it is, derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x plus v as it is, so e raised to x as it is, into derivative of u, u is x, x derivative 1. So we get x is that cancel out, so 1 plus log x into 1 log x plus x e raised to x plus e raised to x into 1 e raised to x. So dy by dx is 1 plus log x plus x e raised to x plus e raised to x. Now we have to find out dy by dx at x is equal to 1. So put in place of x 1 आपको put करना है. So dy by dx at x is equal to 1 is equal to 1 as it is plus in place of x we have to put 1. So log 1 first bracket close plus in second bracket value of x is 1, so x is 1 e raised to 1 plus e raised to 1. So we get 1 plus log 1 का वैल्यू कितना रहता है, 0 आता है, log 1 is 0. So 1 plus 0 open the bracket plus 1 into e raised to 1 is e plus e raised to 1 is e. So 1 plus e that is 2e. So dy by dx at x is equal to 1 we get 1 plus 2e.